You're overseeing a high-stakes digital marketing launch. You've just deployed a massive email campaign, sending your carefully crafted offer out into the wild. But almost immediately, the data looks grim. Your open rates crater, and the click-through metrics completely flatline. Looking at a standard performance chart where the engagement line dives straight to zero, the industry assumption is automatic. The campaign failed. Yet a revenue spike explodes upward in the background. Consumers saw the offer and went straight to your website to purchase, which presents a glaring mathematical contradiction. How can an email trigger a purchase if it registers a 0% open rate? The answer is that marketers are misdiagnosing the situation. They don't have a performance problem. They are relying on a measurement model that fails to track how consumers actually interact. To understand why this happens, we must look at the architecture of a modern digital inbox, specifically the space between the subject line and the body of the email. Tech giants like Apple and Google are now actively using artificial intelligence to generate automated summaries right in that preview layer. In this schematic, the AI summary acts as a functional wedge. It extracts the core value, discount codes, sale dates, or product details, presenting it without a click. 15% of consumers read this, get what they need, and terminate before opening. At the extreme end of this behavior, 22% of millennials have made a purchase based entirely on a message they left unopened. For a massive segment of the population, consumer intent is now entirely satisfied within the first 80 characters of an AI summary. This shift mirrors a behavioral change that began on search engines. Users were trained to rely on AI-generated overviews at the top of results, satisfying their query without requiring them to click through to individual links. Now, that exact expectation for immediate zero-click answers has moved into our personal, private inboxes. The Validity Consumer Survey confirms that using AI to filter and preview communications has become a standard preference for the average shopper. This chart shows that exactly half the population is either completely or somewhat comfortable allowing an AI tool to read their emails to surface deals and recommendations. Technology companies have successfully retrained the public to believe that the preview itself is the complete, finished experience. But inside corporate marketing departments, there is a stark contrast in readiness for this new environment. This chart highlights a massive disconnect. While 50% of consumers embrace AI inbox curation, only 11.7% of marketers have integrated AI. Compounding this, 26% of marketing teams lack the basic skills to even evaluate a solution. The immediate result is a boardroom panic over declining engagement metrics, even though the consumers receiving those messages are actually more informed about the brand's offers than ever before. Navigating this shift in consumer behavior requires moving past the traditional open rate as the primary metric of success. Brands must now optimize for AI-driven discovery. That means writing and formatting content specifically for the AI assistant that will inevitably summarize it. What is the true financial value of an email that was read, understood, and acted on, but never opened? If a brand cannot answer that, their entire measurement model is obsolete.